No more carrying pots for miles and miles, whispered the women, all wreathed in smiles. Wreathed in smiles means all of them were smiling happily because now they are thinking, now we no need of carrying water on our heads in pots, and we had to walk miles and miles with the pots on our heads. The men remembered their land so barren and how they had worried about a famine. And the men were thinking how dry our land was without water and how they would have to worry about famine. Famine means lack of food. Lack of food. Yes, what is the meaning of lack of food, children? Without water, they are not able to grow any crops. And if they don't grow any crops, they are not able to get food. So they will not be food. So the men were remembering about the famine time. With a well, they could irrigate their fields. With a well, they could get better crop yields. With a well, they'd be free of the terrible fear that the rains would be late again this year. So now they are thinking, if they had a well, they could irrigate their fields. That is, water all the crops in their fields. And with a well, they could get better crop yields. So if they gave water to the crops properly, the crops would be more. The yield would be more. And they would be free of the terrible fear that the rains would be late again this year. So even if the rains did not come at the correct time, they will have no fear because there is a well in their village. Now with the hopeful, excited, they loudly clamored. They clamored means shouted. Engineer Sahib, do you give us your word? Will we truly be blessed with a well this week? Will we finally gain the water we seek? So they are asking, they are shouting at the engineer, demanding them, asking him, do you promise us that there will surely be a well in our village? A week? Oh, much sooner than that, I say. You'll have your well by the end of the day. I'm an expert in water and wells and drilling, he said to the crowd around him, milling. Milling means surrounding them. Yes, all the people were standing around the engineer and asking him, surely will you promise us that we are going to have a well soon? So the engineer is telling, it won't take a week. By the end of the day itself, the well will be ready. He is an expert, he said, very good in water and wells and drilling. He said to the crowd around him, I've looked at reports, I've studied the maps. My knowledge of wells simply has no gaps. I have surveyed the land for miles around and I'm sure there's water here to be found. So he's telling the villagers, I have studied all the reports, I have surveyed all the land and I'm sure that there is water here in the village. I'm very, very sure. We will get water when we drill the land. Early next day, when the sun was still low and the sky suffused with a pinkish glow, the engineer addressed his trusted team, come, let us fulfill the villager's dream. So the next day early morning, before the sun rose and the sky was filled with a pinkish color, what happened? The engineer and his team of people came and he told the people, let us fulfill the villager's dream. Armed with maps, reports, a truck and a drill, they went straight to the base of a small hill. Wearing safety helmets, bright and yellow, the engineer was a careful fellow. So he was very good at drilling and seeing water everywhere when he drilled. And he was a very careful man also. He cared about the safety of the people with him. So they had all helmets with them, bright and yellow color helmets on their heads. In the picture you can see. And he used a truck and the drilling machine. And next answer, they stopped in the shade of the rocky mount and assembled their stuff on the stony ground. If we drill here, of this I am sure we will find water, both sweet and pure. So what is that in that stanza? They stopped in the shade of the rocky mound. Rocky mound means a small hill fully covered with rocks. And assembled their stuff on the stony ground, kept all their things on the ground. And he said, if we drill here, I am sure we will find water which is sweet and pure. Said the engineer with much confidence. And it can be said in his defense that all the wells he had ever drilled had been with abundant water filled. Now the engineer was very confident. നല്ല വിശ്വാസമുള്ള ആളായിരുന്നു. He said, wherever I have dug, I would get water always. The team got ready to work at the spot. We'll have